Hi, I wanted to show you my sticker haul that I received from Sticky Club. It is an online sticker subscription club. I went into their shop and bought some kits, some past kits that they had. So this is the back of the package. And I went ahead and opened it. If you spend more than $50, you will get a free sticker sheet. And this is mine. It's a thank you card. Cute. So here's a thank you card. This is the free sheet that I received. I ordered, let's see, what did I order? I ordered 4 kits, 4 past kits. I ordered the July Cute kit. I ordered 2 November Cute kits and a November Pop kit. So, and I imagine this is what they look like when you receive it in the mail. Though I have to say that I think they are switching their mailing envelopes. So this one says, November. Okay, so this is the November either Cute. It's got to be the November Pop. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. I'll move these aside. And it's food. Here's the first sheet in the November Pop kit. I plan to use these in my Hobonichi. These are really cute. And they're clear stickers. Can you see that? This is kind of gold. A lot of gold images, so it's kind of hard to see. Oh, I like this one. Really pretty. Fun fact about me, I don't like seafood, but I do like looking at the food. Let's see, I think we got, I guess it's like a magnet, page magnet with some stickers. Cute. Apple salad with kiwi fruit. Postcard. Pretty neat. And I guess these are the loose sticker flakes. Let's see if I can get this guy open really quick for you. Take it off camera. There we go. Okay, and these are just some really quick. They look like beverages. Neat. Can't wait to use that in the summertime. Okay, so I'm going to put that. So that is your November Pop kit. Okay, I'm going to move him aside. And the next kit is the July Cute Kawaii Food. So let's go ahead and open this one up. And these, I think, are still available in their shop. As I said, I think for $12.99. So there's that. You're going to hear my dog in a minute. There's Angus. Yeah, cute. Okay, let's see. Let's start off with, let's do the sticker bits last. So here's the first one. Yeah, cute. Looks like a little puggy thing. My dog Angus is an English Bulldog, so sibling, cute. There's some puffy donuts. I love donuts. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh. I also have a Hobonichi Weeks, which I keep my kind of menu, exercise, my weight, my steps. So these will be perfect to decorate in there. These are really cute. Hi, Angus. Oh, little teddy bears. And here's a big one. And then let's do these guys really quick. Okay. Ooh, these look to be foiled a little bit. But you can see how, here's an ice cream. Hope you can see that. Pretty cute. Popcorn, a milkshake. Okay, so this is the July Cute kit. So let me put them over there. Oh, cute. Okay. And the last kit, which I have bought 2 of them, is the November Cute kit. And let's get this one open. Oops. Ooh. Okay, that's this one, November. It's like a paperclip page to put on your page. Bookmark. Okay, so I remember I bought 2 of these kits because they're Christmas, and I can use this at the end of the year for this year. Okay, here's this one. Gudetama. Love this guy. Hope you can see it. This one's really cute too. Two more sheets and then we're done. Here's the second to the last. Oh, and okay, so I misspoke. There's 2 more. Let's do it a little quicker. These are really cute. Okay, and then let's do this one really quick. These look to be like countdown stickers to Christmas. So this will be fun. Cute. I like that. Hope you can see all those. Okay, this would be fun to use in the Hobonichi. Let's put this back inside. I should be getting their subscription pack next week. And when I do, I'm going to film another one. Thanks for watching. Bye.